Hi everyone, welcome back our geography session. So today we are going to start new lesson. It is seventh lesson, International Date Line. So while hearing this name, you may be getting some confusion. What will be International Date Line? Nothing to worry. It's a line or it's an imaginary line. International Date Line is an imaginary line which is helping us to solve the confusions in the time. So what is the confusion for the time? What is the confusion? You maybe learned that in India now is a daytime example, but in USA it's night. Yes, and whenever in USA it will be day, then for us it is night. That is one thing. That is because of the earth rotation, revolution and all you learned in last year. Are you remembering? The globe, latitudes, longitudes, prime meridian, equator and all same things here. Again, what is this international date line? Sometimes if you visited from one country to another country, if we started our journey on 11th December 2019. But when you reach there, according to us, the date will be 12th December 2019. But sometimes we can see when we reach there, the date will be the same. So now you got some confusion. So here are the solution. That means how this is happening. How can we solve this confusion?
Sid was on a world tour with his parents. They had a memorable stay in Tokyo, Japan. Next on their itinerary was a trip to Los Angeles, USA. They started their journey from Tokyo on Friday, the 4th of October. After a 10-hour-long flight, they reached Los Angeles. When Sid checked the display board, he was surprised as the date read Thursday, the 3rd of October. Sid was confused. He knew that when they had left Tokyo, the date was October the 4th, and in Los Angeles, the date was October the 3rd. This was because when they traveled from Tokyo to Los Angeles, they crossed the international date line. The international date line is an imaginary line that runs from north to south. It roughly follows the 180-degree longitude.
So before going to start what is international date line, we will just revise what you learned in your last year. That means Indian Standard Time. So dear students, I hope all are remembering this particular diagram. So this diagram will help you to revise or remember what all points you learned about the timing and how it is related to the earth rotation and how time is changing from one degree to another degree. So here you can see that the vertical line which is joining from the north pole to south pole, it is known as longitude. And altogether 360 degrees or the longitudes are there. And here then how time is depend upon the longitude. The earth takes almost 24 hours to complete one rotation. That means here the earth will take 24 hours to complete one rotation, means it will take 24 hours to complete its rotation, this 360 degrees. Total or altogether there are 360 degrees. And number of longitudes cover in 1 hour is equal to 15 degree longitudes. That means when the earth covered 15 degrees or the longitudes, that means it will cover or it is covered 1 hour. So here, then what is 1 degree longitude? 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes. So 15 degrees cover means 15 multiplied by 4, then we will get 60. So that is why we can tell that when the earth complete its rotation in 15 degrees, then it is equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. This means that for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. And next important point, what you have to keep in your mind is that the day and date will change at 0 degree longitude. That means in prime meridian. The next one it is the time will be always ahead in the eastern part of the earth. The same manner, the time in the western part will be behind in the western part. So that means the places which are lies in the eastern part, there the time will be ahead. What is the reason? We learned that the earth is rotating from west to east. And again, we learned that the sun rises in the eastern part. So, according to the rotation, the countries which lies in the eastern part, the day will start, but at the same time, the western part, it will be night. So why it is happening? It is due to the rotation of the earth. Same manner, the direction of rotation. What is the direction of rotation? It is from west to east. So when we are moving from prime meridian towards the eastern part or eastern countries, the time will be ahead. And the same manner from here, that means from prime meridian, if we are moving western part of the countries, then the time will be behind. The another important thing is the in order to solve these confusions, that means in this situation the time of different places will be differed. So in order to solve these confusions, the Greenwich meridian is introduced by the scientists, that here it is shown in the red color. So the global time is considering with the Greenwich Mean Time, which is passing through the England. But the Indian Standard Time is another one. Otherwise, what is the reason? Otherwise, if you are considering only the Greenwich Mean Time, it may make lot of confusions, because when Earth is rotating from the west to east. So the eastern part of the places, the daytime, when at the same way or at the same time the western part of the countries, the time will be night. So in order to solve the confusion, each countries has its own standard time. So how it is considered? That means the meridian which is passing through the middle of the country, it is considering or it is deciding the standard time of that particular country. Now here you can see the line which is passing through the middle of India. It is passing through the Allahabad. Then India has only one standard time, because its longitudinal extent is not that much, or it is less. The 82 degree 30 minutes east is the Indian Standard Time, or here you can see that the line which is passing through the middle of the country, that means in India it is 82 degree 30 minutes east. and it passes through Allahabad, and it is ahead by 5 hours 30 minutes from Greenwich Mean Time. What is the reason? Because its location. India is located in the northern and eastern part, so it is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. That means the concept what we learned, that I will explain, you will get the answer for that all questions. Last year you have learned about the role of prime meridian in order to decide the time. Each country has its own standard time. India's standard time is decided at what degree? 82 degree 30 minutes east. Why? Because that meridian is passing through the middle of the country. So which all countries, the meridian which is passing through the middle, they have taken that meridian to decide the time of that country's time. So last year we have learned about the earth rotation, revolution, the sunset, the sunrise is playing an important role to decide the time of that particular place. So for that purpose, man has studied the speed of the rotation, direction and the shape of the earth, and on the basis of that, man made chronometric system, that means timekeeping, for his own purpose. On model basis, the speed of the rotation, direction and shape of the earth. Speed of the rotation, direction and the shape of the earth. Then how it is? You have learned last year or first chapter. That means earth is rotating from west to east. So because of that, the sunrise will be in the eastern part. We already learned. So which all countries lie on the eastern part, there will be the daytime. That means the daytime will start from the eastern part. Okay, the days start from the eastern part and it will end in the western part. So what we can understand, the eastern part of the earth is ahead than the western part. Example, we can take example of our country, India. Eastern part of India, which is the easternmost state, Arunachal Pradesh. The sun rises and its rays will reach first in Arunachal Pradesh in India, and later the other states. Later it will reach to the next eastern states, and in the central part like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, like that, and again it will reach to the Gujarat. So when sun rays reach Arunachal Pradesh, it will be ahead than the Gujarat. Why? Because sun rays reach first, or we learn that sun rises in the eastern part. So the sun rays reach at first in the easternmost state, that is Arunachal Pradesh, and later only it will reach the Gujarat, what lies in the westernmost of our country. That is known as the local time. Okay, so local time will be deferred. Then, but we are not considering the local time. Why? If we will consider the local time, it will make lot of confusions. Okay, so in order to avoid the problem, what we have done, that means the meridian which is passing through the middle of the country. The meridian which is passing through the middle of the country, we have selected to decide a standard time for all over the country. That is known as Indian Standard Time. That is known as Indian Standard Time. Through where it is passing through? You can see that it is passing through the middle of the country, and at which degree? 82 degree 30 minutes east. And there is the time for whole world. That is how it is considering the meridian which is passing through the middle of the world, that means through the England. It is known as Greenwich Mean Time. So there is a difference between the world time and our Indian time. So Indian Standard Time is ahead than the Greenwich Mean Time. Indian Standard Time is ahead than the Greenwich Mean Time. That means 5 hours 30 minutes we are forward. That means the difference between the Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time, it is 5 hours 30 minutes. India's time it is ahead than the Greenwich Mean Time. How many hours differences are there? 5 hours 30 minutes. What is the reason? That means the Greenwich Mean Time is considered the meridian which is passing through the England. It is behind, or that means our country it is located in the northeastern part. Our country is located in the eastern part, but England is in the western part. So the sunrise will be there first in the eastern part. So we will be forward. Okay, then global time or the world time, or we can tell the Greenwich Mean Time, it is behind us. So the differences we can see everywhere. That means between the eastern countries and the western countries. According to the primary meridian, eastern parts of the countries will get, that means the day will start there first in the eastern part, and the day will be end in the western part. In the 0 degree prime meridian, we can see that day and the date will change. The day and the date will change in the 0 degree, that means in the prime meridian. So we will learn about, or we will just recall what all things you learned in the in 8th standard prime meridian, Indian standard time, how the time is calculating in this part in your video.
There's an India versus England match being played in London, and a channel on TV is showing it live. But did you notice something odd? The channel says that it is 3 p.m. at the cricket ground in London and it is bright and sunny there. On the other hand, in this house in Delhi, it seems to be 8 p.m. at night already. How can it be 3 in the afternoon in London while it is 8 in the night in Delhi? This is because the match is being played in one part of the world and being viewed in a different part. Let's understand this in detail. Due to the rotation of the Earth, only one side of the Earth faces the sun at a time. So, while it's day in one part of the Earth, it's night on the other side. Hence, while it is still afternoon in London where the match is being played, it is already night in Delhi where it is being viewed. While rotation of the Earth causes different places to have different times, longitudes help in determining the local time at different places. The prime meridian is the 0-degree longitude that runs through Greenwich, England. Therefore, the time on this line is also referred to as the Greenwich Mean Time. The prime meridian is used as the reference point by all countries for determining time. All places that fall on the same meridian of longitude have the same time. So, Delhi and Bangalore, both of which fall on 77-degree longitude east, will have the same local time. But the time will vary if the locations of two places are on different longitudes. For instance, the time in Delhi and Bangalore at 77 degrees east longitude will be different from the time in Amsterdam at 5 degrees east longitude. As the Earth completes one rotation, it covers 360 meridians. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This means that 15 longitudes get covered in 1 hour. This means that it takes 4 minutes to cover one longitude. This means that if it is 12 noon at the prime meridian or 0-degree longitude, then it will be 4 minutes past 12 noon at the immediate longitude on the east of the prime meridian. On the other hand, it will be 4 minutes to 12 noon on the longitude west of the prime meridian. This is because the Earth moves from west to east. Based on this, we will need to add 4 minutes for every longitude that lies to the east of the prime meridian. Since Delhi is at 77 degrees east longitude, the time in Delhi will be 308 minutes or approximately 5 hours ahead of London. Thus, when it is about 3 p.m. in London, it will be around 8 p.m. in Delhi.
I hope all of you understood this topic well. So learn well. Try to draw that diagram which one I show you in your notebook for your better understanding. Thank you.